Hello friends! My name is Michaella and I am a high school student here in SFUSD. I come from Angeles City, Pampanga, Philippines, and my first language is Tagalog. It is nice to see you all again, and today we will learn some of my language together. Yay! Today we are going to learn 3 new words in Tagalog. The teachers this week have been talking all about relationships and friendships. Our families, friends, communities are what makes our lives fun. This week we are going to learn some of these relationship words in Tagalog. The first word we are going to learn is friend. In Tagalog, this word is kaibigan. I'll say it and then you say it back to me, okay? Kaibigan. Now you. Good job! One of my best friends is Sari. My favorite thing about her is that she is very lovely and funny. She always makes me smile. Who is your kaibigan? The next word we are going to learn is community. In Tagalog, this word is comunidad. I'll say it and then you say it back to me, okay? Comunidad. Now you. Great job! In my home country, an example of community is on New Year's Day. Neighbors and I gathered together and greet one another on New Year's Day because we are one big happy comunidad. Another word we are going to learn is collaborate. In Tagalog, this word is magtulungan. I'll say it and then you say it back to me, okay? Magtulungan. Now you. Great job! Collaborate is what we do when we work together with other people. For example, everyone at the factory must collaborate if they want to make the best toys. It is fun to make new friends. Last week we learned how to ask a new friend, "What is your name?" This week we will learn how to ask a new friend, "How old are you?" and tell them your age too. When you meet someone, you can say, "Ilang taon ka na?" How old are you? Ilang taon ka na? Now you. Great! Then you can say back to them, "Ako ay," for example, I am 18 years old. Ako ay 18 taong gulang. You try. Ako ay. Good job! To learn any language, we need to practice what we learn. So later, make sure to tell someone in your family or house one of the new words you learned. They will be so surprised that you speak another language. That's all. I'm glad that you could join me this time. Enjoy the rest of the show. Paalam!